Hey guys, how's it going? I haven't been doing a lot of videos lately, but you can see I've been gaining weight during this pandemic. So today I want to talk about how I think all the construction industry is gonna change between of everything that has been going on. So for sure, OSHA is gonna have to implement a lot of new standards for construction inspection, for construction safety. You know, like you cannot have so many workers. Like I have seen it whenever I do inspections. They don't want to have so many people working at the same time, and even when they have them, they try to make them be separate. A lot of sites they don't care right now, but I think moving forward, this is something that will have to become a standard, and it's gonna be to be implemented by OSHA and like maybe other entities and like by the engineers, by the architects, and by everyone on the site. And with respect to engineering, like for me, I have been working from home for the last 6-7 months, and I mean with everything that's going on, I know the vaccine started to being developed already, but I think that everything that has happened this year will definitely change the way engineers work. Like we have learned that most of the work, design work, can be done remotely, can be done from home, and companies are starting to realize that. They are starting to implement it. You can have Zoom meetings instead of like in-person meetings a lot of times. I know other changes that we have been doing is just that we collaborate, like for example in Bluebeam, everybody collaborates in the same PDF and everybody just sends the red lines to that, so there's no need to be in person. So I think a lot of engineering fields will kind of have a mix of transition between remote and non-remote because of what has been going on. The thing with, like, for example, at least structural or like most engineering is that it cannot be fully remote because inspections and like construction meetings, sometimes you need to be in person, and you know you need to have a set of plans, a set of drawings, so that everybody's on the same wavelength and like they know what's going on. So I don't think we'll be fully remote, but I think there will definitely be a lot of changes moving forward. From the top of my head, those are the only things that I can think of. But I know that there has been implementation of a lot of safety, like, you know, hand sanitizer everywhere, cleaning everywhere, just because of everything that has been going on. That was it. I just wanted to talk about how this was gonna affect the construction industry, and I think this is it. Schools, it will also affect them as well. Like for example, like I know for the exams for the PE, I know they told me that they weren't allowing everybody to take the exam on the same day. They were having like half of the people taking the exam on one day and then the other half on another day. And yeah, I think we're gonna see a transition into a lot more remote and less convoluted workspaces. Let me know what you think. Let me know what you think will be other new challenges and new changes that will be coming for the industry, for engineering as a whole. Like for example, I know also that a lot of conferences and a lot of lunch and learns that we've been doing have been only remote. People pay online and they take them from the comfort of their house, which is fine, but you don't get to network as much. So that's another thing that will definitely change. Hope you like this video, guys. Let me know your thoughts and let me know what other things and changes you think will happen, and subscribe to my channel if you like this video.